If you are looking for the best free sports on Roku this June 2026, here are 4 hidden channels you probably didn't know about. You don't need any special subscriptions or jailbreaking for this, because these channels are officially part of the Roku Channel. Grab your remote, go to your Roku home screen and open the Roku Channel. Once you're in, scroll down and select the Live TV tile to open the Live Channel guide. Now let's talk about the 4 sports channels you can start watching right now. First up, just in time for the 2026 World Cup hosted right here in North America, Roku has 2 dedicated FIFA channels. On channel 5243, you'll find FIFA Plus Women, featuring matches, highlights, and player stories. And on channel 929, they have FIFA Plus Español for Spanish language soccer coverage. If you want daily sports news and league updates, scroll over to channel 227 for the Sports Illustrated channel. And finally, for the outdoorsmen, channel 5306 is now home to Stingray Hooked, dedicated entirely to fishing expeditions and tips. Keep in mind, since these channels are completely free, they are ad supported, so you will see some commercial breaks. Roku now has over 500 free live channels, so if you want to see a full breakdown of the best free movie and news channels, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what your favorite sports team is, and I'll see you in the next video.